Be ready. Start. Historically, technological progress via new innovations has been a key force behind sustaining economic growth, improving living standards, and offering better health outcomes. In the present era, too, innovation has shown that it is the savior of human civilization. Innovation has been at the forefront of our battle against the unprecedented crisis created by the pandemic and will be pivotal in enduring the country's resilience and self reliance. Realizing this, India is making great initiatives to become the part of global innovation hub. This has been evident by India's rising trajectory over the past several years in the Global Innovation Index of the World Intellectual Property Organization from a rank of 81 in 2015 to 46 in 2021. This boost to innovation culture has helped India to maintain a sustainable economic growth in the country. Realizing this, India has continuously made innovation in education by making elementary education a fundamental right and then synchronizing policy on education with changing needs. Currently, the education ecosystem is at the intersection of the offline and online modes due to the pandemic. This has greatly accelerated digital adoption in education delivery. So, new initiatives like STARS project, Happiness curriculum of UP government, Mera Mobile, Mera Vidyalay, mobile application, etc. will help to add to human capital, increasing economic growth. Healthy and productive demographic dividend is an important ingredient of economic growth. Financial system is an integrated part of the economic system with increasing complexity of business processes and emergence of new financial risks. Financial innovation becomes necessary to propel economic growth. There are many financial innovations that have had a significant positive effect on the economy, like venture capital, microfinance, and various financial technologies like automated teller machine, national electronic fund transfer, mobile banking, online share trading, e-banking, etc. Further, the UPI service, which was limited to smartphones, will be available for feature phones without internet connection. Such innovations have made credit available and accessible to wide range of customers and increased digital financial inclusion. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy, providing employment to more than 50% population. Genetic modification of crops to improve yield and quality, use of fertilizers, pesticides, and improved biofertilizer have helped to improve the efficiency of agriculture. These innovations in agriculture have helped to increase productivity and increase farmers' income, boosting rural economy, thereby strengthening backward linkages of economy. A clean and healthy environment is must for sustainable economic growth. Huge expenditure is required to manage the harm caused by unclean and deteriorating environment. The development of new technologies like artificial leaf, electric vehicles, use of fly ash in concrete production, soil stabilization, green crackers, etc. for reducing carbon dioxide emissions, waste management, and mitigating pollution have helped to keep the economic growth within the carrying capacity. Such innovations can help to avoid the extremities associated with changing environment, resulting in loss of life and livelihood. Thus, people can contribute effectively to the economy. Energy is an essential driver of economic growth. Innovation to harness the potential of renewable resources like sun, water, and air, and other resources like hydrogen, helium to derive energy to meet the increasing energy demand help in contributing to the growth of economy. Good governance is the foundation stone for a country aspiring for economic growth. A government that is responsive, accountable, transparent, and efficient in delivery of services helps its citizens to develop their capacities and work in full potential, contributing to economy. Innovations in public service can serve as a core driver for ensuring competitive, efficient, cost effective, and accountable public administration. The innovation in administration could be related to technological solutions, better management of processes and practices, strengthening citizens' rights, and revamping governance models. Mission Karma Yogi, My Government portals all are innovations in administration which ensure efficient, effective, responsive, and transparent government. Defense sector can be the catalyst for the growth of the Indian economy. It can play an instrumental role in making India a $10 trillion economy by 2030. As India imports 60% of its defense weapons from foreign markets, innovation in defense sector can help in encouraging indigenous designs, development, and manufacture of defense equipment, thereby reducing dependency on imports in the long run, safeguarding its forex reserves, boosting industrial development, and creating employment opportunities, promoting virtuous cycle of economic growth. Research and innovation, which form the bedrock of economic growth of a country, is crippled with numerous challenges in India, economic, political, and social, that hinder its qualitative growth. With the expenditure less than 1% on research and development, the new inventions to tackle the emerging challenges cannot be taken in full swing. Adding to the fire is low availability of skilled scientific R&D professionals, either due to brain drain, lack of an effective education curriculum imparting necessary skills, poor scientific outlook of youth, or lack of career opportunities in basic sciences. The admission in science stream during senior secondary classes does not turn into an equal number of science graduates and postgraduates. The innovative startup challenges being launched by government in different sectors are a welcome step. The need of the hour is to increase investment in research development and innovation, not just via the budgetary support but by roping in the private sector as well. Focus should be shifted to brain drain and efforts should be made for promoting brain gain via incentives, scholarships, and providing ample opportunities for career advancement. Awareness has to be created among teenagers and youth to think beyond doctor and engineering profession after opting for science stream. The culture of science, technology and innovation need to be made a reality where each component does not work in isolation but in synchronization as envisaged by science, technology, and innovation policy. If the fruit of economic growth is to be reaped, it is necessary to sow the seeds of innovation.